Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download your website assets from Wix for LinkedIn profile, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download your website assets from Wix for your LinkedIn profile, start by logging into your Wix account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard of the website you wish to extract assets from. On the left side menu, click on the media option. In the media section, you'll find all your uploaded images and files. Scroll through to locate the specific assets you wish to download. To download an asset, hover over the item and click on the three dots icon that appears. Select the download option from the drop-down menu. Your asset will begin downloading to your computer. Repeat this process for any additional images or files you need for your LinkedIn profile. If you want to download your website's text content, open the website editor. Go to the page where the text is located and highlight the content you want to copy. Right-click and select Copy or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. Open a text editor or document application to paste the content. Right-click and select Paste or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. Now that you have your images and text, you can proceed to update your LinkedIn profile. Log into your LinkedIn account and navigate to your profile page. Click on the Edit button in the section you want to update. Upload your downloaded assets and paste the copied text where necessary. Adjust the layout and settings as you prefer. Finally, save your changes to complete the update on your LinkedIn profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.